This is guided practice number 9. We're working on finding average values here. So we're going to tackle these two problems. Remember that your average value is the integral from a to b, or actually, let's put it out front, 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So if we're finding the average value of the function 3x squared plus 8x from -1 to 2, your f average is 1 over 2 minus -1, right? This is your b, and this is your a, times the integral from -1 to 2 of your function 3x squared plus 8x dx. Okay. From here, this becomes 1/3 times, we're finding the antiderivative here is x cubed plus 4x squared, and we're evaluating from -1 to 2. So this is 1/3 times 8 plus 8 minus -1 plus 4. And that's going to give us 1/3 times 16 minus 3, which is 13 over 3. Okay, so you're just taking 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of your function. For number 2, same thing. You're finding your f average by taking 1 over b minus a. So this is pi over 2 minus negative pi over 2. Integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 of 3 cosine x dx. All right, so this becomes plus a positive pi over 2, and pi over 2 is pi over 4. 1 over that, flip it around, gives you 4 over pi. I'm going to bring the 3 out front of my integral, and I'm going from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 of cosine x dx. This becomes 12 over pi. Antiderivative of cosine is sine, positive sine, and we're going from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So this is 12 over pi times the sine of pi over 2. Let's not erase. Sine of pi over 2 minus the sine of negative pi over 2. And let's see, sine is 0 at 0. So at pi over 2, it is 1. So this is 12 over pi times 1 minus. And the sine at negative pi over 2 is the same as the sine of 3 pi over 2. And that one is -1. So you're subtracting a -1, and that's going to give you times 2. So this is 24 over pi is our average value on that one.